Hey LogiPulse, how does one incorporate AI into logistics and home delivery platform? Let me show you how.
Delayed delivery or damaged package delivery. Your customers will have to wait for such deliveries to go right. And this not only damages the company's reputation but also leads to lost revenue and customer trust. With the rise of e-commerce, the demand for timely deliveries has skyrocketed, and companies are under constant pressure to keep up with supply demand. That's where delivery management solutions come in. But not all solutions are created equal. That's why it's essential to invest in a delivery management solution that utilizes artificial intelligence and machine learning, just like LogiNext Mile. LogiNext's AI and ML algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, allowing companies to optimize their delivery routes, anticipate potential delays, and ensure that packages arrive on time and in good condition. This not only improves customer satisfaction but can also lead to significant cost savings for companies, as they can streamline their operations and reduce the operations cost for expensive last-minute deliveries. In addition to these benefits, LogiNext's AI and ML-powered delivery management software can provide valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences, allowing companies to tailor their services and better meet their customers' needs. So if you're in the logistics and supply chain industry, it's time to consider investing in delivery management software that utilizes AI and ML.
Is this a dream for you to assign orders automatically? LogiNext has got you covered. It enables you to assign thousands of orders automatically to existing trips. What's more, you can also add different customizable profiles for automatic order allocation that suits better with your operations. Switch to LogiNext and optimize order allocation for thousands of orders just with one click.
Imagine your driver is out for delivery, but there's heavy traffic on the highway, and your customer isn't happy with the delayed delivery. Well, with LogiNext Mile you can now configure all the route parameters while planning the trip. Which gives you the best route possible.
Are you struggling to find drivers for bulk order deliveries? With LogiNext, you can enable rider sharing across branches, so that you can manage your peak delivery periods by sharing riders with different branches. Now, even if it's a holiday season, you don't need to worry about driver shortage. LogiNext, enabling great fleet optimization. Still finding it difficult to load your orders into your vehicle efficiently? With LogiNext 3D packing optimization, get the most effective way to load your vehicles and maximize capacity utilization. Get LogiNext, make the most of what you have. You have hot and cold items to be delivered, but can your delivery management system intelligently plan loading and delivery of these items according to their environment conditions? LogiNext Mile brings a compartment configuration module, wherein you can plan trips as per the specifics of each compartment like size, capacity, temperature, and optimize your logistics operations to the fullest. LogiNext Mile, a true cutting-edge technology.
LogiNext Mile has been a comprehensive AI-based home delivery platform that has since years built bleeding-edge technology features, with its core being state-of-the AI and ML algorithms. Schedule a demo today to help solve your delivery challenges with LogiNext Mile.